Hey beautifuls! Welcome back to my channel today where we do lots of unboxings over here. Today we're going to be diving into the Margot Elena Spring 2024 box. And I just have to tell you guys, this box feels like spring. I already did a little sneak peek, like I didn't open anything too far, but I just wanted to open it enough just to kind of get a hint of to what we're getting in this box. And it looks and feels like spring. So if you are ready for springtime, you are gonna love this unboxing today. So this is our Spring 2024 Margot Elena subscription box. If you guys are interested in purchasing this box, I will be posting a link down below. This is the box that is currently shipping, so if you order with my link, you will receive the exact same box that I'm going to show you guys here today. I also have a discount code for you so you can save a little bit of money off of your first box, but this will be available while supplies last. Every quarter they do sell out. And so sometimes they sell out very quickly. So if you want this box, my advice is always get it when you can, only because I know it will sell out at some point. I just don't know how soon that will be. It could be a couple days from now. It could be weeks from now. But if you know you love it and you really want it, don't wait because it will sell out at some point. So if you've not seen this subscription box before, it is one of the most beautifully packaged boxes out there. It is gift ready. And that's what I always recommend is if you're looking for a gorgeous gift idea, you could ship this to someone and it's got beautiful presentation on here already. I mean, look at this box. Is that just not gorgeous? It does say down here that this is box number 26. And when you open it up, look at your spring vibes, you guys. I mean, just every part of this is just, well, there it goes. But it's gorgeous, right? So our card will tell us the theme, which is Glorious Spring. And inside, it's going to give you a detailed description of all of the products that we're going to be receiving in this box. We are receiving over $200 worth of products in this box, you guys. And we paid a fraction of that. First item in the box is Tokyo Milk's Decadent Salt Soak. So this is going to be in the scent number 10. It is a full-size bag that we have here. This scent is honey, and it's going to have sugared violet, jasmine, and sandalwood inside of it. And this is a salt scrub. So it's fairly heavy just because it is salt. And what you're going to be able to do is use this to help exfoliate. You can use it in the bath time, and it's also going to help to make your skin softer after using it. It is also going to give a great aromatic scent in your bathroom. So as long as you love a honey and jasmine kind of scent, you're gonna love this product. You can also buy this individually on their website. All of the products that I'm about to show you guys are available as individual items. But it's a much better deal to get them in the subscription box than it is to buy it individually. But this retails for $12 on their website if you wanted to buy it. It also says this is a new product, so you're getting to try it out first before everybody else does. My next item is from the archives, and this is their 4-ounce hand cream. It is called Poet at Heart. So gorgeous packaging. I mean, look at this box, you guys. Like, seriously. Does it get any better than this? It's just so pretty. And I just love good packaging, right? So we'll pop this one out and we'll have our hand cream inside. The scent notes that we're supposed to have is rose hip and lavender. And I kind of get that from the coloring that's on here, is you kind of get the lavender vibe. Now, what I love about these tubes is they're designed to be rolled down. That way you get all of the product out of here too. Oh, so this is an exclusive product. This was made specifically for subscription boxes, and that's it. So this might not even be on the website. It says it's $24 and they put it in exclusively in this box. So if you want to try this product out, this would be the only way you're gonna get it. I love that. I love that we get something exclusive. So next item that I have is a lip balm from the Cottage Greenhouse, and it's actually a Nourishing Lip Repair. It's scented as cucumber and honey. I like how fat this lip balm is too. They're larger than my lip balms, I'll tell you that much. 7 grams or 0.25 ounces. There's a lot in here. It has cocoa butter in this. There is no parabens. It is cruelty free, and there's no petroleum in this either, which is great. It's all made in the US. This sounds really good. Now, this fragrance combo that they have is very popular. They make a lot of different products with this scent profile, and it's very light, very refreshing, like cucumbers are. If you wanted to purchase this lip butter, it would be $8 on their website. Our next item is all gift wrapped inside, so I'm gonna unwrap this. They do have gorgeous tissue paper, and this is another reason why I say it makes a great gift, because they're already wrapped for you. But I always save the tissue paper, you guys. I don't know about you, but I have a bag full of tissue paper that I just reuse for other gifts, because why waste it? I mean, it's just for pretty anyways, but they have some really nice tissue paper. So my next item, ooh, this is the Dead Sexy Perfume Crema. This is in number 6, which is vanilla, exotic wood, white orchid, and ebony is the scent profile. Now this is very, you know, we're going for light and refreshing and bright, and then we bring in a little bit of death. I mean, it's kind of a weird combo, right? But I do feel like a pirate. But with the flowers, it gives me more of like a feminine pirate. Like I'm a girly pirate. I bet you never saw that coming. This is a full-size product. It is 2.5 ounces. It is sealed fresh as well. And let's see here. This one costs $22 if you wanted to purchase it. They do sell it on their website. But this will be a very heavily perfumed cream that will last longer than your traditional spritzes and sprays. I'm going to open up our next item here, but you may have realized as we're going through, there are different names, which is Tokyo Milk, and there's Cottage Greenhouse and Archive. All of those brands are all owned by Margot Elena. They're all a part of that parent company. So what's great about buying the subscription box is you get a little bit from every brand versus it being a subscription box of only one brand. And I kind of like it this way better just because I like the variety. So our next item is from Tokyo Milk, and this is the, oh, it's a candle. Oh, the candle is in number 21, which is a citrus zest scent with mimosa mandarin inside of it. I think I'm going to love this one. But look at this packaging again. At first I saw the B and I was like, what are you telling me? Just because what? But then it says candle on the side. So this is cool. There's so much to look at on this box. So let's open it up. I want to smell it for sure because I do love citrus scents. This is what it looks like here. I mean, how cute for a gift, and it already says just because on it. Oh, yes. This smells really good. It does smell like a citrusy spot. I don't know why, but when I smell it, I feel like I'm relaxing already. It's weird how that happens. So it is a single wick. I do find that these burn really well and they're very aromatic. So just keep that in mind that these are stronger candles. The throw is very large on these. They will fill an entire room. So just make sure wherever you're burning these at that you've got the space for it. Otherwise it might become a little too strong if it's too small of a room. But it's very citrusy. There is a touch of rose petal in there as well, but it's predominantly a citrus scent that I'm getting. This one is 100% worth it. I love it for spring too. It smells very light, very refreshing. So this candle was made exclusively for our subscription box. It's $24 for it. And again, you're not going to find this particular scent on the website because they made it only for subscribers. Ah, here it is. I was wondering when the perfume was going to show up. So every season we will get a fragrance inside of our box. It's always a different scent. And it is always full size, which is a huge win. But I always feel like this pays for my entire box. So I'm always looking forward to getting a fragrance in here. So this one is from Tokyo Milk, and it's number 72 is the fragrance on here. Make Me Blush. It's magnolia, honeysuckle, jasmine, and bourbon. So this is going to be a very floral scent space. And this is what it looks like. Isn't it cool how it looks vintage? It just has this kind of antique vibe to it, but I don't know. I love how they do that. Ooh, surprisingly, I like this. I'm not a huge floral lover, but this one is nice because it's not too strong of a floral. I like this one a lot. I will wear this. This one surprises me because it's not usually my kind of scent, but I really like it. So this perfume is $48 on their website if you wanted to buy it. Do you see what I mean? Like, the perfume is always the hero of the box. Oh no, this box is very large. What is in here? Oh, it's a wick trimmer. I love it. So to go along with our candle, they also sent over a golden wick trimmer. So this is just a pair of scissors for your wick. And what's cool is it's got a plate. So when you snip it, the wick will actually fall right on top and you can take it out. And that way it's not like floating in your candle. Also, these are very fancy wick trimmers. I have a pair and believe me, they are not this fancy. I feel like this box just keeps going right now. It said we were gonna have 10 items total, and right now I'm on number 8, but I just am like, there's a lot. So this item is from Infinite She, and it is a shower gel. The fragrance name is Vibrant on it, and it says that this shower gel is going to consist of cocoa butter and honey that will nourish and energize your skin. And it says that it's going to be cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and it's also mineral oil-free as well. My next item is a soap from the Infinite She line, and this is their Bold, Bright, and Beautiful soap bar. I like that it comes in this cute little box, and then inside, oh, and it's wrapped. Look at that. Wouldn't this make like a great housewarming gift or like a girly thinking of you? Look at this, and then here's your bar of soap inside. I love that. Oh my gosh. See, it's these small details. I am just such a sucker for packaging that this is such a perfect gift. And I'm like, I'm just going to wrap it all back up. I'm going to give this to somebody because I love the presentation. It's so well done. So if you wanted to buy that soap, you could. They do carry it online for $12, and they do have different scents in that as well. Last item inside of our box today will be our set of 3 cards. This will be a trio, and they make a lot of these different cards. So if you want to buy them on the website, you definitely can. They're very cute and modern, so I kind of like that. The first one says 0 clucks to give, and then it has a chicken on there. Which, by the way, I'm trying to convince my husband to get chickens right now. I'm going through a millennial phase and he says no, so I guess that will have to suffice for right now. The next one is a frog and it says believe on the front. And they do come with matching envelopes. They are just blank inside. And then the last one says a little something for you, and there's a hedgehog on it. So if you do get this as a gift, you have a built-in thank you card in there too. So that is everything for the Margot Elena Spring 2024 box. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. But as always, I am so happy with this box. It is beautiful through and through. I love that it's full-size products. I really like that they sent us exclusive items that are only in this box. It makes it a little bit more special. So I hope they continue to do that because I really like that. But I love that we have a fragrance. As always, that's always one of my favorite items. But it's packed full. There's 10 items in here. There's a little bit of everything. We've got candles and fragrance. We've got a salt scrub. We've got a shower gel and lip balm. I like that it's all different products too. So yeah, nothing but a good review from me. This box to me is 100% worth it. It's girly, it's feminine, and it's just done so well. And this is why it's one of my top 10 favorite boxes. So if you're interested in this subscription box, you can definitely get one down below with my link. And don't forget, I do have a coupon code so you guys can save a little bit of money also. But until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day. And I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!